Hello, my name is Ruth Whittington, and I'm the Riparian and Wetland AIM Data Analyst and a wetland ecologist with Colorado Natural Heritage Program. This video will explain how to create and download an offline map for use in the field. Downloaded maps should be refreshed before every hitch, as updates to the web map will not be synced with your iPad until you do so. We have two different ways to complete this task. Which you use will depend on the level of specificity you want for your offline maps. For the sake of this video, I will use ArcGIS Companion for creating web maps, but the same processes can be completed using ArcGIS Online on your desktop computer. Follow along in the technology manual found in Appendix A of the Riparian and Wetland AIM Data Management Protocol for directions specific to AGOL. The first method is to download directly from the field map already created and shared to the BLM AIM Riparian and Wetland group. To do this, open Field Maps, then click on the BLM AIM Riparian and Wetland group at the bottom. Next, select the three dots next to the Wetland 2022 field map and select Add Offline Area. On the window that opens, a black box shows the size of the area that is possible to download. Reduce the level of detail to make this black box larger. I find streets is usually a good level. Next, scroll on the map to zoom in on the points you want to visit this hitch. Make sure all points are included in the black box, then select Download Area. Alternatively, it may be better to download multiple offline areas if you're planning to cover a large geographic area. Download speeds can be slow using this method, so anything you can do to reduce the size of the area you are downloading may be worth the effort. Make sure your download has completely finished before taking your device offline. If you try to do a lot of other things on your iPad, it may abort the download without telling you. So check and double check that it is done before you leave. The second method is to create and save your own version of the field map to your contents folder in AGOL. This can help filter out all the sites you won't be sampling and allows you to add layers to the map that can also be downloaded. To do this, first open your companion app and switch over to the groups page. Here you should see the BLM AIM Riparian and Wetland group. Select this, then move over to the Contents panel. We can filter this list down to Maps, and we should quickly find the same Wetland 2022 field map. Open this map in your browser. Once the page is loaded, switch over to the Contents panel. Here you can filter your plots layer down to just the points you want to see. Then hit Apply Filter and Zoom to. We can also add additional layers to the map by selecting the Add button in the upper left-hand corner. Select this, then search for layers. Then you'll want to use the drop-down to switch over to the area you want to search. Once you find the layer that you want to add, click the plus button in the lower right-hand corner of the layer. As soon as you're happy with your map, select the Save button, then Save As. This will save the map to your group. Change the title to something helpful. And make sure the Save In folder is to your Geo platform. Then select Save Map. At this point, you should see the map you've just created in the My Maps area of your Field Maps menu. Again, you can select the 3 dots next to the map you want to download, then Offline Area. If you download maps using this method, make sure to create a new map before every hitch, starting from the master copy and the BLM AIM Riparian and Wetland group, as any edits made to that map will not sync to any maps that you've created. This concludes this Riparian and Wetland AIM technology tutorial. Please make sure to refer to the technology manual for any additional directions.